Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to configure a static IP address in Windows 10, or you can as well do the same in Windows 7 or your Windows 8. So let's say you install a new device, and automatically when you install a new device, the device receives its IP address from a DHCP server. So if you want to make sure that that device always use a specific IP address, that the IP address does not change, you will need, and also that the IP address does not get assigned to a different device, you will need to assign a static IP address to that device. So in your Windows 10, to assign a static IP address to a device, what you need to do is, first of all, you need to go to your start menu. And in your start menu, let's just tap internet. Here, let me just say internet. And when you click on your internet settings, it's going to take you to your internet settings here. So here we have some options. So when I can decide to just click on my internet network and just go to edit and then select manual and then put on the IP version 4. But I'm going to use a different option here. So what I need to do right now is I'm going to click the change adapter options. Okay, so it's going to bring you to your control panel and to your internet network option. So I'm just double click on this, which will take you to the properties of your internet network card. So you can see I have an IP version 4 connectivity which has internet, and if I click details here, you can see that I have my IP version 4 address. There's a subnet mask, and I have my default gateway, and you can see my DHCP server IP address and my DNS server address. So let me just click close, and here when I click properties, and so I can go to the options. So let me just uncheck this IP version 4 because I am version 6. I'm not going to be using this right now. So select your IP version 4, the Internet Protocol version 4, and select properties. Here you can see that it says obtain an IP address automatically. So I'm going to select use the following IP address. So for this following IP address, I've already make a screenshot of what the IP address is. I'm going to still use the same IP address, but I'm going to configure that to be static. So right now we can see that it ends with 137, which is 192.168.126.137. And then that's a subnet mask, and the default gateway is going to be 192.168.126.2. That's the default gateway of my router, which will grant this device access to the internet. And I want to use my preferred DNS. I want to use, because I'm going to join this device to a domain environment. So what I need to do is I will need to go to my domain controller here and see, okay, what's the IP address of my domain controller. So I'm going to use this IP address to be the DNS server here. So 192.168.126.128. So just to be sure everything is correct, 128, that's good. And then an alternative DNS, I'll be using the alternative DNS of my router, 192.168.126.2. So then click OK, click close. Probably your network will be disconnected and it will try to connect again. You can see that my internet connection has been reconnected. So click close. So let me try to ping that IP address of the server and see if I can ping the server. Ping 192.168.126.128. So you can see that we are able to ping that device. So which means everything has been configured successfully. So that is how you configure a static IP address in Windows 10, or you can as well do the same in your Windows 7 or Windows 8. So thank you very much for taking your time to watch my video. My name is Kelvin Johnson, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for taking my time to create this video. You can as well leave a comment on this video, and also you can follow me on my Instagram. I'm going to leave my Instagram link in this below in this video, so you can also follow me on Instagram or check my LinkedIn site. Thank you very much, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye.